for this recipe you need some thing called as rice cake. So how it is made I'll be sharing another video. But basically it is made of rice flour. When rice flour is molded into different shapes and it is steamed, these are the results we'll be getting, or you can call simply as momos. These are just momos with nothing stuffed in them. And also you can use the leftover idlis when they are made in excess number, where you want not wanting to eat them anymore, so you can take them. And you can take some green gram and bengal gram sprouts, and also some onions, and cut them into your needed shapes. So in a pan, take some oil and add all the needed jeera and cumin seeds and some curry leaves and all the basic necessary pulses that get into the Indian tadka, and give them a good mix. And now add some onions into that and fry until it becomes soft, and following which you can add some rice spices according to your taste. And now add the rice cakes which are cut into small pieces and give them all a good mix. And at the end add some sprouts, and of course give it a good mix for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. The rice cake chaat is ready. And as you can see, I don't prefer cooked onions much, so I added them in a raw form itself. So you can eat in the way you like it to be. And so yeah, that's it, it's done.